Hello everyone. Here we will discuss about the packages in Java programming language. The packages are having some hierarchy. Here we will have the entire Java programming libraries that will be considered as a Java package. Inside that Java, we are having so many sub packages like language, utility, and abstract window toolkit. Then each package will have its own class files. For example, Java language package is having system.class file and string class file. Array list class file belongs to utility sub package, and map is the another class file belonging to utility package. And abstract window toolkit is having a button class and menu like that. So here the sub packages are having class files. For example, here I will show you one package and sub package here uh, given in the folder. Here the package is created in the name of pack. Inside that pack, you see I'm having the class files. The program 3 is on Java class file, and here program 3 and 1 also class file. So this is the class file for interface. Okay, this is the class file for interface, and the sub package is also there. The sub package is having its own class file here. So from this, what we can observe that every package is having its own class file or sub packages, or the class file which is belonging to the interface, right? So like this, here we are going to define the definition for package as which is having the collection of related classes and interfaces and sub packages. So its class files will be created and stored in the folder. That folder is called here package. That folder technically called file directory, right? So based upon this, here we are going to say the API library, that means application programming interface libraries, are divided into packages and classes, right? User can either import the single class or a package. So single class will have methods and variables. Another name is attributes, and a package can have many number of classes. Okay, as I have shown you in the pack class. In that pack class we had three class files. Okay, intex comma program 3 comma program 1, and sub package had one more class like program 5. So that package had so many classes. So all the classes can be imported by using the keyword import. What is the purpose of packages here? If all the classes are stored in the default package, that leads to confusion. Suppose if I am having so many programs, that programs will create a class file in Java. If that all the class files are created inside the single folder, then it will create the confusion to the user when they are importing one class to another class. So when you are importing the class name with the similar names, for example, I will create the project for the student, right, which second year student. Okay, for second year student, when I'm creating, I will have the file name as a student details. Okay, otherwise grade details. Okay, so like that, when I'm creating for the another department student, there also I will have the grade details. So you see, I am creating the different Java files, but I am trying to give the same name, right? If when you are giving the same name, there is the possibility of namespace collision. Okay, namespace collision. To avoid that, what we will do, we will create this grade file into one package, that is second year student package. This grade file can be created inside the third year student package. So when you are having different packages, you can import that file by using the package name even though the class file or program file is having similar name. So to avoid that, we are storing the classes into separate packages. Packages are controlling the accessibility of these classes by using access specifiers like private, public, access specifiers. So this access control is called visibility control. Once the class is stored inside the package that is called packaged, then its accessibility is controlled by its package. That is, other classes can access the current class by using the package name, okay, by using the accessibility control, right? If it is public, it can be accessed, right? That is the thing. So here we are having four visibility access control or access specifiers available. Already we have discussed in the previous video, one of the previous video: public access specifier, private, protected, and default no specifier, right? So based upon that, we are having two types of packages. One is a built-in package, which is delivered with the Java application programming interface software itself. Then user defined packages, so this can be created by using the software developers, okay. So here, for example, for built-in packages given: a language package, abstract window toolkit, Java Swing. Here, this is for Java X user interface, GUI, right? Java Swing, network related package, input output related package, utility packages. This is for SQL, like database connectivity package, etc. So here the java.language package is having some class files: print writer, string builder, string buffer, and all the wrapper classes, okay. A boolean, character, a byte, short integer, long, float, double, like this. And thread is also belonging to the language package: runnable, throwable, and exceptions for handling the exception handling. So all are belonging to the Java language package. And input output package is there, which is having the classes related to input and output, right? Reading the file, and here file reader, and writing the file writer. Here also input statement, reading the data. And here also input stream reader, another one type of reading class. And IO exceptions, file not found exceptions, these are all coming from the IO package. And utility class is having scanner. This is important for getting the input from the users, right? And date class, calendar class, stack, queue, data structure, vector, set, hash map. So these are all the interfaces, Java collection interfaces, and which classes are stored in the utility package. These are all default libraries. And abstract window toolkit to design the GUI, graphical user interface, like buttons, labels, text area, menu item. So if you want to import this, design the form with a button like submit, right? Then checkbox, right? Radio button, checkbox, like that. Then you can go with abstract window toolkit class. Then swing, which is giving you some advanced level of buttons, some design, okay. That button will be designed with some corner, okay, without sharp, right? Round shape corner, like that. So you can use some pictures. So for this, you can go ahead with the swing package. Then connect the database, okay, to connect the database with Java application, right? Java forms, right? Then we need some connectivity. This connectivity will be available in the form of JDBC, right? So for this we need the package SQL, so which is making the connection with the driver manager, right? So here some classes will be available. How to import these packages? By using the import keyword, we can import the file into our own designing or developing the program, right? So here I will show you the syntax. So here syntax is import package name dot class name. So I will show you the program here. So in this program, the first line shows the import is the keyword, then scope is the package, then which class is the sample pack which is stored inside the directory, package scope. So like this we can import the package into our file, right? So here the import is the keyword, then package name, scope, then class name, sample pack, right? So based upon that we can import the package into our own developing program. So if the packages are nested, that means sub packages are available, then package name, inside that we will have one more package, then class name can be called. So here using this we are going to see one example how to define the user defined package by creating the directory, right? So directory is here, simply we will say folder name, so inside that we are going to create. So I will show the program with example here. So this program is creating the package scope, right? So then the keyword is available here to show that. So in this one we are creating the class name as a sample pack. So this is having only one method display, inside that we are printing the name welcome to package session from the sample pack class. Okay, so this program will compile and stored in the package called scope. So now I will compile that and show you the demo here. You see here we are having only three folders. Okay, so I am having only three folders: my pack, server. Now I am going to create one more package in the name of scope. So for that I am going to run the program sample pack here. So when you are running the compiling the program sample pack, then you will get, you see here, sample pack is created with some number of lines here. Then for compiling the program I have to use hyphen d, right? So d is specifying the destination folder, right? So here you have to give the directory name. If you are giving the directory name, that is the package which is going to use for storing your Java class file name. So here I am giving, instead of directory I am giving the dot. That means it will save the class file sample pack into the package name here, my pack. But in program I have given the name scope. Okay, I have given the name scope. So this file will compiled by using this Java C. Then after compilation we will get the class name as a sample pack, right? So it will be stored in the name scope folder. Okay, that is called here package, right? So based upon this, now we will see the compilation output, right? As I told, here I don't have the uh, name package scope. Now when I'm compiling the uh, uh, file Java sample pack Java C hyphen d dot is representing that sample pack class file will be stored in the scope folder. Now it will create the package scope because there is no package scope, right? So it will create the scope, then it will store the sample pack class inside the scope. So now I am running the file. You see I am compiling the program here. So once it is compiled, then now we will check there is the possibility of creation of folder that is called scope. In the name of scope, you see here it is created the scope folder, right? So that's what here the scope is created, then the sample pack class is also created inside that folder. So this is the class file, right, which is created. You see the class file which is showing, it is created inside the scope folder. So like this, right, if I want to run one more file which is called bcn. So you look at that class name here, I have created with bcn. So in this bcn I am having the print method. That print method is here, welcome to VITAP from bcn class, right? For representation I have used that from bcn class. Then I am running the file, right, java c hyphen d dot bcn uh, dot java. So when I am compiling this file, you see now our scope folder will be created with another one java class file. That java class file is here showing that scope dot uh, uh, bin bcn dot class. Okay, bcn dot class. You see, one more file is created that is having the bytecode. That is the class file. So two class files created based upon the execution. Now I am going to create one more file to import this two Java package files. Okay, so here I am using the um, file name is a, so that the class name is the a. Here I am importing the uh, package scope. Inside that I am having the sample pack class. Okay, like that I am importing the package which is having bcn class, right? Then I am creating the new class that is called a. Then inside that main method is available. Through that I am defining the object variable with respect to sample pack, right? This sample pack class. Then I am calling the method right display which is belonging to the sample pack class. I will show you that file which is having the display method, right? So the sample pack is having the display method. You see here, which is having the display method. The display method is having single statement, like that. Then I am importing, right, bcn class. So for that I am creating the object b which is having the print method. I am calling the print method or invoking the print method by using the object variable. Here I will show you that bcn is having that print method with a single statement. You see here the object b is calling. You see this bcn is having the print method. That print method is having a single statement. Okay, single statement vatap from bcn class. For representation I have given this three words. All right, so now I am going to compile the java file which is importing the two packages, right? So you look at that, not two packages, two classes available in the single package. That package name is scope, right? So when I am invoking this, right, automatically the compilation to be done, right? So when I'm compiling the file java c, then file name is a. Okay, right, dot java. Then you see it is compiling. After compilation I will run that file. Okay, and I'm running that file. You see this is importing the sample pack class. So inside that we are having this statement. Then this is the statement which is belonging to the bcn class which is having welcome to vatap. So this is the way to import the different packages or a single package into the program, right? So based upon that we can design the package for our requirement. So this slides is showing how we have imported the package. So package is imported by using the import keyword. Then star is representing all the classes. So from the previous example we have imported, right, import scope, right, then sample pack. Okay, sample pack, one class. And another one again we have imported, right, we have imported scope, then dot bcn, so another class. So instead of using two times this one, simply we can say import, right, scope dot star. That means all the classes can be imported into the program. That is the meaning, right? And if you want to import with class name, you can import that. So same thing it is given here for your reference. Then if you want to access the package with another package. Here you see, you can declare the class of the package which is can need to be accessed. Then here no need to use the import keyword, right? So here I'm defining the class by creating the name pack, so which is having the a.java. Here the class name, the file is stored with the class name which is having the message method. Then I'm creating one more class with the name b, which is also stored inside the same package pack, right? But it is having the main method, and here I'm calling the package. You look at that, instead of importing here, right, import pack dot a. So I am not using this one, right? Without that, I can define the object variable by using fully qualified name. So pack dot a, this pack dot a I can use here because both are available. B.java and A.java both are available in the same package. Okay, so that's why if you are using the, if you are using the class files which are available in the same package, then you can go ahead with fully qualified name. That's what here we can use the full qualified name, right? So here the full qualified name is package name dot that respective class name. So here you will get the output as a hello, right? Suppose if you want to import the static, okay, static classes, then here you can directly access that static members without using the class name. You see here I am defining the package with the name p1, then I am defining the class with the name example3. So file name will be example3.java. Here I am using the static members. Okay, static variable is here x equal to 10. Then here one method is available inside the example3 class which is displaying the hello. Then here one more class I'm creating test2, then file name will be saved in the form of test2.java. Here I'm importing package. You look at that package p1 I'm importing, the class name is here example. Okay, so here example is imported, right? So then inside that main method is available. Here you see I am accessing the example3 directly. Okay, example3 directly, actually here example3. Okay, here example3, right? Example3 dot x, you see directly I am accessing this. Okay, directly I am accessing this. So example3 dot x variable, so x variable is having the 10, we can use this like that. Here if you want to invoke the method, then you can invoke the method with example3 dot display. So example3 is this one which is stored inside the package p1, right? So then you can invoke that method. So here example3, right? Like that here also you see this is not a static method. So here we are using the static keyword. So when you are using the static keyword, no need to use the example3 dot x. So directly you can use the x. This is the difference between using the static import without static. Okay, without static and with static. If you are using the static, then if that variable is also static, you can access directly. If it is if you are not using static keyword when you are importing the package, then you have to use that respective class name, right? So here the advantage is you can categorize the classes and interfaces for easy maintenance. That means if you want to develop the software, you can if you want to give same name for the program files, then you can have to create the different folders, different packages. Folder is called here package, so you can easily maintain that files with the same name, right? So and also you can give the protection by using the access specifiers. So by giving the different packages for the files which are having same name, you can avoid the naming collision. Thanks for watching.